YouTube? Eric DIY with another review for you. Today we're going to review the Gohyo 60L waterproof ultra lightweight packable backpack. So I didn't get to show myself using this backpack, but in the last Adventures with Zach video where we were hiking in the Rehoboth State Forest, this is the pack that I wore while Zach wore his. And I packed it up with several things. It wasn't full, but again, it's 60 liters. That's a lot of space, and we'll show you all the space that's available to this. But I would say that this backpack is really, really good for hiking. The first things to notice are that it has tons of straps we can hang things off of. I have my Ionio camping axe right here. That was in case I had to chop down some wooden stuff along our hike, which I didn't, but it held it perfectly on the side. I also have a water bladder that's in this thing that it does not come with a water bladder, but I actually use the DS Sport 3-liter water bladder. If you'd like to see the review of that bladder with the backpack, please look for a link in the description below, and we'll send you to that review. So when we're talking about the Gohyo backpack, it's all about pockets here. We'll start from the outside over here. First off, you have two attachment points right here. They're just little bungee cords, and you can put stuff in the loops and tighten it down. You could also probably hang stuff off of there if you have some D-clamps and stuff like that. But if we open up the first pocket, we have some leftover stuff from my hike. We have some insect repellent and a Nutrigrain bar, but it held a lot more than that. So I was packing very lightweight for this hiking trip. See that this first pocket is a very deep pocket, and the zippers on it work very well. No problems on the zippers. For the price so far, this backpack is really good. On the bottom of the backpack, they have straps that are easily adjustable, and you can put a sleeping bag, a really, really small camping tent right there. But if you unclip that, you can easily get to the pocket. Now these zippers, they're pretty good. They got big, long handles on them, so it's not bad at all. I will say that they have to work in just a little bit though. And in this pocket, I put our first aid kit, and also just a survival kit, just to test out the number of pockets we had in this thing. So that was on top of that earlier pocket I showed you. And again, it just zippers up, but you can store a lot of stuff in this bottom pocket to access it easily in case you need it. And now we're going to get to the major pocket, which is right here. Again, they have side clips here though. I actually put my trekking poles right here. It has this nice little mesh pocket. It's the same thing on the other side. You have some straps and a mesh pocket. I put my compass in there. But if we open up the main compartment, which is the side zipper here, this is where I put my hydration bladder, 3 liters, so it's a big one. But as you can see, there's all this space in there. Look at the amount of space in this bag. Huge. It's like a cavern in there. So it's just one big sack. So you could take this if you're going on like a 3-day backpacking trip. Have your small little backpacking tent on the front, pack all your clothes and supplies in here, and be good with it. I've been holding this whole thing the whole time with this nice heavy duty carry strap. It's very, very securely in there, and on the other side there's padding, so it's nice to see, and it's very, very durable to hold up the bag. On the back of the backpack, what made it so comfortable to wear were these little ear mesh cushioning right here. The ear mesh cushioning is awesome. It's seen on a lot of backpacks nowadays, and it makes it so that it's not all sweaty on your back. But if you look at that, that's what is going against your back. You have the same cool ear mesh on the inside of the straps, so that way you can wear it. Putting the backpack on, you just put the straps on, tighten them out as much as you want. They have a nice strap here that goes across your upper chest, keeps it down tight. Then finally, they have nice padded. They are padded with that same air cushioning material I showed you earlier, with straps for the waist belt. You just tighten it down, and it feels great. Here's what the Gohyo ultralight backpack looks like from the back. Again, you can move with it. Very ultralight because of the materials they use in making it. It is durable though. I did snag this on a couple of tree branches and stuff during the hike, and you can see that stays together just great. So it's a really, really good ultralight backpack. 60 liters big for the money that they charge you. The Gohyo 60-liter backpack also has its own rain cover, which is built really well, and you can see that it's high visibility with the orange color. Nice elastic goes right around the bag. I haven't had to use it yet, but does come with a rain cover, which is an extra bonus. That is my review of the Gohyo 60L ultra lightweight backpack. I gotta tell you, for the price range it's in, it's an awesome buy. I had no problems with it while hiking. The only thing I would say is that if you're looking for, you know, like an ultra premium bag, this isn't for you. This is for just a casual hiker that needs a bag to hold a lot of things. It's very stylish. It comes in different colors as well, and it suits my purpose just fine. It's not going to be a $150 backpack for hiking. It's going to be an excellent just weekender hiking backpack, which is what I am, and it serves me just great. It's durable, it's lightweight, it holds a lot, and it's excellent. If you'd like to purchase your own Gohyo 60L ultra lightweight backpack, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon. You can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We are very appreciative of that, and we appreciate everything you do for us. If you like this video and you want to see more, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button. While you're there, why not also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. And as always, have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.